carbon fiber or glossy black basalt? The question that everyone asks when choosing a body kit for their car. Which one do you prefer? A more sporty and aggressive carbon fiber or a more stylish and minimalist basalt? My name is Elizabeth, and today at LARTE Design studio in Düsseldorf we have two of the most expensive SUVs by BMW, the BMW XM. One of the 500 vehicles of the label red with an exclusive carbon fiber LARTE body kit, and the other BMW XM in glossy black basalt. Let's take a look together. The LARTE Performance Kit consists of 17 parts. The bonnet, the radiator grille trim, front bumper insert, front bumper cover, mirror cups, front fender flares, door moldings, side skirt panels, front bumper spoiler, rear fender flares, twin pipe tips, rear bumper spoiler, wheels, spoiler above, spoiler below, rear diffuser and brake lights. Not only does it enhance the appearance of the car, but it also increases the level of aggressiveness and dynamics, making your BMW XM more exclusive. Most importantly, the LARTE Performance Kit is certified by TÜV Germany standards. Let's take a closer look. The hood from LARTE is more sculpted, giving the car an aggressive and exclusive look, unlike the stock version, which has rather a flat and studded design. Here, as you can see, the hood is painted in body color. What's important to mention here, that the hood is one full complete part. It's not just an overlay. The hood gets installed on the mounting points as the original one. As you can see here, there are no gaps. Moreover, there is no driving vibrance at high speed. Also, LARTE engineers have provided a system for draining rainwater, so that water does not accumulate on the hood. The hood, like all the other parts of the kit, has successfully passed the tests according to the strict standards of the certification body TÜV Germany and received the Teilegutachten certificate, which speaks of the reliability and safety of its operation. The sporty trim on the front bumper enhances the sporty character of the car without lowering the clearance. This is a significant difference from the stock version, where the bumper is more conservative and doesn't have such pronounced aggression. And together with the moldings and seals on the trim, the extender arches create an overall image of the car, combining all the details into one whole. So what do you think of this LARTE solution? The stock version of the BMW XM has a very boring and forgettable rear diffuser, but LARTE Design has came up with an interesting idea, which is complemented by the tailpipes and additional brake lights, which do not only add the powerful look to the car, but also function in bad weather. Additionally, it's worth noting that the rear bumper is a full part, not just an overlay. Additionally, LARTE designers have added two spoilers to the back. Here, the spoiler is painted in glossy black, but you can also have it painted in the body color. Let me know what you think. Now on the screen you can see two photos. One is the stock version of the BMW XM and the other is the BMW XM with LARTE Design basalt body kit painted in glossy black. Let us know which one you like better. Now it's time to move on to the LARTE's exclusive project. Are you ready? Let's take a look. It's the world's first wide body kit for BMW label red, made by LARTE Design, fully carbon. The BMW XM combines a futuristic design and is the most powerful of all BMW XMs ever. Let's take a look. Label Red operates on a 4.4-liter V8 engine with twin turbocharging. Since they both have different horsepower, let's compare the sound of both of them. On the Label Red version, the hood is completely made out of carbon fiber. Let's take a look inside. You can see that the reverse side of the hood replicates the factory form of the hood. Each LARTE trim detail has a branded badge with the part number. Now let's take a look at the hood from the front. Take a look at the carbon lid. It's all even and made by hand. Also take a look at the gaps. They're just perfect, like the original. Now let's compare the two. The one is painted in the body color and the other one is completely full of carbon. Both look very powerful, but the carbon fiber looks very aggressive. Which one do you like more? Let us know. The front splitter on the Label Red version is highlighted by the Toronto red color. This is a good combination since the BMW XM Label Red has the red elements. In comparison to this one, here on the painted version you can see that the front splitter is only painted in glossy black. It doesn't have the red line, which still looks very stylish. By the way, all the details can be combined. You can also combine the carbon details and the painted details. Let us know which one you like to combine. Here we kept the original grille trim because we think it fits very good to the car, but it can also be done in carbon fiber. On both XMs we have added the bumper inserts. Here you can see it's in carbon and there it's painted in black gloss. Both get installed in the place of the original parts. Also, a tiny detail that you can adjust in your car are the mirror cups. Take a look. They get installed in the form of the original ones. And now let's again compare the two versions of LARTE Design body kit, the carbon fiber and basalt version painted in glossy black. Feel the difference. You can see that LARTE body kit makes your car even more exclusive, dynamic and aggressive. In the Label Red version, the arches are completely made out of carbon fiber, while in the basalt version, the arches are painted in glossy black. Now let's take a closer look at the moldings and the seals. I closed the door, nothing got in the way, and you can see everything is installed perfectly and there are no gaps. Also, even if you open the back door, nothing gets in the way, everything works as it's supposed to work. When comparing the two body kits for BMW XM, the carbon fiber version and the basalt version, the functionality stays the same for both body kits. Only the appearance changes. We can also take a look at the back of the car. We can also prove the functionality of the rear diffuser, and you will see now in a second how the tow bar comes out perfectly, nothing gets in the way, and you can practically use it. The hexagonal twin exhaust pipes can also be made from carbon or heat-resistant composite material. Have you already noticed that the exhaust now matches the size of the bumper, unlike the stock version? The exhaust tips are attached securely. They do not interfere with the original exhaust system, which makes it, of course, safe and functional. The LARTE designers came up with a solution to have two spoilers on the BMW XM body kit. Look at this one and the top spoiler. The two spoilers do not only improve the overall image of the car and the appearance of the car, but they also improve the aerodynamics. This means that they are tested at high speeds at about 300 km an hour. For BMW XM body kit, LARTE Design has came up with a new wheel design. Let's take a look together. These are the 23-inch forged wheels. As you can see on the Label Red version, the red finish of the forged wheels highlights the dynamic nature and stylishly matches the exterior of one of the 500 limited BMW XM Label Red cars. The second car, as you can see, has a more restrained design, with wheels painted in black gloss. The design of the forged wheels can be chosen by the customer itself. You can always see what fits you better and decide what you would like to have on your BMW XM. Now something interesting for you. Every trim detail, what you've seen on the body kits, are handcrafted by experienced LARTE masters. The manufacturing process itself is already a work of art. It all starts with creating a full-size clay model right on the car. Then each element is carefully shaped from 100% carbon or premium composite materials based on basalt fiber, and then undergoes several stages of processing and preparation before the final coating. In the end, each detail is safely packed and shipped worldwide. Owning a LARTE Design body kit is not just about acquiring an exclusive car. It's about the emotions that you experience. It's about the pride when you drive the car. It's about the admiration for every detail and adrenaline when you feel the speed and dynamics. The car speaks to your tastes, preferences, and individuality. Each part of the LARTE Performance Kit can be purchased and installed separately, allowing BMW XM owners and those of its limited label red version to individually choose their level of upgrades so you can become a designer of your own BMW XM. All the information regarding ordering, manufacturing, delivery times can be found on our website on the link below. And now the question for you: have you decided which one you would like more? The carbon fiber version or the basalt version? Let us know in the comments, and I hope I'll see you soon.